Life moves forward, unstoppable. A smile, the strength that carries us. Every road, a reminder that we are travelers of time and dream. The way road changes with time, at the same way, our dream changes with time. And above us, the sky is vast, free, and eternal. Like the sky, your spirit is limitless. Like the sky, your beauty is unsecond. No matter where the journey takes you, remember you carry the infinite within. What is your thought? Do you ever feel the infinite power inside you? Let me know in the comment. Bye.